Everything I do is foreign, you know what I mean? Yeah, foreign. Yeah, you see my whip, you know it's foreign. I'm so foreign. Then you see my girl, you know she foreign. I'm in Lauren. You've been wearing.
Guys, thanks for joining us again for another episode of That Pilot Guy. It's another cold IFR day here in Atlanta. Not much exciting stuff going to be going on today. We're just going to be replacing or reinstalling the starter on a Cessna. Super simple, basic stuff. So let's get to it. I'm proud of? Parking. Perfect. First time. Didn't even have to do it twice. Almost like I've done it before. Alright guys, So it looks like we finally got that finished up. It was a little bit more difficult than I wanted it to be. Some tight spaces you have to get into, but finally got that done. So anyways, thanks for sticking around. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good day.